First, I would like to greet all my brothers and sisters in the Nuer community of Gambella. Today, I want to speak from the heart about something very serious, something that is killing us from within. It is not the other tribe living alongside us, it is not our neighbor. The real problem is within our own community. Our Nuer politicians who cannot work together to solve the long-standing suffering of our people under Nyak leadership. Our leadership has failed us. For more than 3 decades or more than that, the Nuer people in Gambella have been suffering. Our youth, women, and elders have faced attack, killing, and neglect on the street, on the road, everywhere. Yet, our leader and elder have failed to provide a united voice, a way forward, or any real solution. Instead, we continue to fight among ourselves while the suffering of our people continue unchecked. This is a tragedy we cannot ignore any longer. As Nuer youth, we also share responsibility. For too long, we have remained silent or allowed division to continue. We have left the failure of our leader impact our communities. Well, I can say it is time to wake up. It is time to demand unity, actions, and accountability. If we do not, our people will continue dying unnecessarily. And this cycle will never end unless we address it seriously together. I personally cannot accept this madness. We are human beings first. We must show humanity, compassion, and courage to solve these challenges. Our goal must be clear: protect our people, stop the violence, work together as a community beyond politics, beyond personal interests. If we do not, the suffering of our people will continue for the next generation. To all Nuer in Gambella, in Ethiopia, youth, elders, and leaders, let us unite as one community. Let us stand against injustice, whether it comes from within or outside. Let us use dialogue and unity to solve our problems. Let us ensure safety, peace, and prosperity for our people. This is not about politics. This is about human life, survival, and dignity. Our people are our responsibility. Our culture, our dignity, and our future depend on our ability to stand together. Let us choose humanity over division, action over silence, and unity over politics. When we want to address this kind of issues, it needs all of us, not just individual. Because what I always see, when something happened, like maybe someone was killed or murdered, people try to find where that person is coming from which clan. This is one of the problem or issue that we are facing. Instead of uniting under one umbrella and facing the challenges that our people are going through, we can never stop it. So as a Nuer and as a person who cares for his people, I can tell you that let's stop this madness. It is time for us to wake up. When are you going to wake up? When? We all have seen that time is running out. The leaders are being removed without even solving anything. For many years, all the situation that we went through, our youth are having hard time to find job. They cannot even get job. And when you try to talk to a leader, what you met with is ignorant and arrest. So what can push us to move forward? So first we must remember that Nuer come first. Nuer interests come first than any other thing. Even within government, when you are being maybe selected or elected or you are appointed, they first must know that where you come from, you originate from which tribe, because you are being appointed because you will be administering your people, you will be giving what they need, because there are services that you need to offer to give them, but you are not being given a office just to sit there and doing nothing. You are being given that power to use it to help your people. So I'm telling you, without us, without uniting ourselves, this suffering will never stop. So please take my word and use it.